Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From the video you would have got to know, from the video's title, yes, we are going to IBW. So the ride prep has already begun, and right now we are on our way to change the bike's tires. So the ride starts in a week, and I was supposed to change the tires last, I think, 10 days back, and in fact I got the tires almost a month back, and I didn't change it from then. I think it's been more than a year. I think it's 1 year 1 month since I got the bike, and the bike has clocked around 6,000. Let me see. Yeah, the bike has clocked around 6,149 kilometer to be precise, and all these kilometers were clocked on the stock tires. In the stock tires we get Bridgestone. So the tires that I'm changing to are the Pirelli Diablo ROSSO 3. So I got those tires at a good deal, both front and back. And by the way, the place where we're heading right now to get the tires changed is on well-known place in Bangalore. It's called Madhu Tires, which is located at Wilson Garden near the Lalbagh gate. I think we need to take a left. I'll just wait for my friend because he's having the map in his car. If you notice any kind of change in the quality also, I switched to the GoPro 11. I did a bit of unboxing video. So just watch the video in meanwhile. Hope you all like that small video clip. I just tried something for the first time. So I changed the mic setup and all that, and still the GoPro 8 which I was using previously was shutting down all of a sudden. It used to hang in between, which indirectly made me lose interest in vlogging, so I didn't vlog for a bit. So So that is when I spoke to my friend and decided to get the GoPro Hero 11. And also I'm testing out this camera for the first time. I didn't do any pre-checks. I just plugged it to the media mod. It's a cool looking street triple R. Tyre change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೋತ್. ಹಾಂ The time is around 8:20. We came in at 3:30 and it's almost 5 hours. It kind of took 5 hours for the total tire change, which generally doesn't happen. So there was a small issue, that there was actually a problem. So the technician back at the tire service center, while removing the rear tire, was done neatly. And so when it came to the front tire, so there is this axle nut which has to be removed. I don't know about the other bikes. When it comes to the Kawasaki, there is an axle nut. So the axle nut has to be removed. But when you remove the tire, and there is some other a rod which connects the axle and the tire. So when you remove that rod, along with that the nut also has to be removed. The person doing the tire change did not do that. So continuous twisting and tightening and loosening of the rod resulted in the which caused the threading to wear off. So later I made few calls, and even the people from the tire service center contacted a person from Triumph showroom, which is actually closer to the tire service center. So a technician from Triumph showroom came down and he recognized the problem, and he is the one who addressed the axle nut issue. Then immediately they went back and matched the threading and got it sorted. Now everything is perfect and running fine. When I told the technician that he forgot to remove the nut, all he replied was, in BMW bikes there is no such system. That means he recently changed a BMW bike's front tire. So he said BMW bike doesn't have such a system sitting in front of a Kawasaki bike. What do I say? So I made few calls and everyone sorted out. Even people back at Madhu Tires were really good. They stayed back post their closing hours and they resolved the issue. I I would definitely take my bike there again for any tire related stuffs, but I'll be more careful while doing so. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.
This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on.